Hey and welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about how to set the booking plugin up and how to add the pages that are needed and stuff like that. So this is the settings page. Once you have installed the plugins, like all plugins are installed, basically you get this page and you can just click SB settings. And the resource names, it's like if you have instructors or something, have like people that if you run out of people, you can't do stuff. It like can go to the shooting range because they have to show you how to do stuff or etc. You don't have to use them, but you can if you want to. And you can set a number of resources. If you have like 2 people that work with that. And you can set the default time slot. If it's like you can rent this go-kart track for 60 minutes or whatever. Use user address if you want street address and to contact them. Most of the time you usually have like the email address and that's it. You don't really have to, since they're more of it's like an association or a club or something. You already have their contacts, so you don't have to have it on the site. Maybe you don't even want to because of GDPR stuff, etc. And the link to my page, so it's basically this edit profile, etc. just goes to my page instead, and when you log in you get to my page, etc. Extra text in the mail, it's mostly used for like now it's Christmas, don't forget to book our tree cutting class or whatever. Or maybe you have to have clean clothes because it's Christmas, so book the laundry room. Maybe, I don't know. The booking form is the form for when you book, where you select the service you want and what time and date and stuff like that, if you need an instructor or not. Register user is the register user page. You can use the ordinary register page in WordPress 2 if you want to, but if you want addresses, etc., it's already added. Login box, you can also use the common login or any login plugin or the short code or whatever for the login stuff. But if you want one, you got one. The user page for changing, it's the user page. It's where you can change your name and phone or whatever. Password, change password page. User bookings, it's a list of bookings, so you can see what you have booked. And show login, if you are not logged in, do you want it to show login? And it's like the last 2 years or up until 2 years. That can be like forever instead. And from, if you want them to see past bookings or not, basically. The order, title, if you want to show the title of the bookings. It's cool for blocking content. It's a very simple membership plugin thingy. So if you have blocks of text that you want to be shown only for logged in users or for users not logged in. It's the same with menus. Let's see if I have. I have one. You can also select menu items to show or not show. So it's like a very basic membership plugin. I don't think I have. Let's see. Sometimes I add. No. So there is that too. And these are empty for now because I have to add everything to the page first. So that will be another probably after this. Does it make more sense to have it before though? We'll see how I do that. But if you want like the register user page, boom, I have already a user page here, and I like to use Elementor. So I will do that, and I will do something like welcome, register to be able to book stuff. Right. Or should we do the proper way? Maybe like short code. Boom. Snillrik with that. Boom. Then you get the register field. Boom. And then you want a my page too. I like to do this with tabs. Yeah, they're called tabs. Cool. Try to figure out what. And where is my? Maybe I should have this in its own. Like this. Boom. My page. Boom. Then you can have like user info. It's not very fun named, but user page. Boom. And we just add user page. Boom. Did that not work? Yes, it did. Cool. And maybe password. That didn't work. Oh, wait. I don't want it to be strong. Boom, cool. And password. Password, and we want maybe bookings should be first. Bookings, or maybe something booked page. Booking. No, if I log in user page, I have 4 bookings. Let's just paste this. Doom to doom, doom to doom. Boom. Nice. We want this one first. Cool. And also, yeah, we can have, oh, we could do like, maybe do like this. I don't know. Short code. Maybe I should have planned this better, but also see how easy it is to use. Boom, boom, boom. This one, and I don't. You can select a service if you have like a service already. Is like, or if you want a page where you only book that service, etc. Maybe on the same page as we got this very cool track for mountain biking, blah, blah, blah. You want to have the booking form there. You can, but we don't want that. And show login is more or less always on, I think. And it's also, if you have these, you can turn it off. Like, I don't want to show the login on all the pages, or maybe you have them on a row or something. Oh, excuse me. Boom. Save. Let's see how this looks. So we have no services, and we have nothing time to time message booking user page. This is my user page. And password page, I can change the password, etc. So that's how you set it up. Next we'll do how to add services and add Where am I? Let's go back to the admin page. To add bookings. No, you can't. The people will add their own bookings. But to add services like different tracks or different washing machines or whatever. And how it looks when things are booked. So that will be next. Boom. What's up? I'm back. I'm not really back, it's the same video, but also I'm back. Okay, I'm going to talk about the services and about how to book things. I have set the users to default to that people can register, and that the default role is customer instead of subscriber, because I think that's great. But you can also, if you want to add them yourself, you can do that instead and select customer if you don't want people to be able to register, and you might not want to if it's a club or something. Cool. I have added a couple of services already. I'm going with motorsports tracks, I think. So I will add a new one, and I will add the F1 circuit. Can I spell for that? Probably not. No. This is for F1 people. Right, and I don't use the service types, but it's just categories, like in posts or pages. So it's basically the same thing as that. You can set the featured image if you want to use some sort of post listings or grids or etc. Since it's its own post type, like pages and post, you can use like anything in Elementor or stuff to list them. And you can like F it, you will probably get tired fast, so it's only 30 minutes. And if you want connected services, if like the F1 card or the F1 circuit crosses the go-kart track, maybe, so they will crash if both of them are booked. Or if you have like the shooting range where I use this plugin, we don't want them to, they're crossing each other, so we don't want them to like start shooting each other, which would be bad. But we don't have that here, but if you want to use that, you can. And the F1 circuit is only open on weekends between 12 and 18 and 12 and 16 on Sundays, and also Mondays between I don't know what I'm doing, 12 maybe. Boom, publish. Publish. Boom. And you can also select close dates. You have to save it first before you can use it. And it's if like you have maintenance or something. Okay. Do that. Boom. And now we have a bunch of services, or 3 of them. And my new user, customer Kallio, where is it? Boom, there. This is my user page. My name is customer Kallio. I can change password, and I have some bookings already, and I want to book the new cool F1 circuit. There are no free times today, or tomorrow rather, but there are on weekends, so I will take the 27th, and nothing seems to be booked. If it is booked, it will show up with like red small dots. No, they're red backgrounds. And I want to book 2 hours. I want to go fast. And I will book that. Booking received, blah, 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 my page. Cool. Oh, I want to book. Yeah, I have those 2 are on the same date. Yeah, I want to, let's try, let's see, dirt bike track tomorrow. Yeah, so that's time is booked. So I have to go after that, about 12 to 14. Book. Booking received. So if I try to do that again, you will see it's what times are booked. There is, if you use the resources, if the resources are out, there will be a small orange dot here too, and you can't select the resource. So you can still book if you want to do that without an instructor or whatever it is. Boom. Cool. So then we see all bookings. These are the same way as poster pages. You can list all the bookings like that. And since that might not always be practical, there is also a special page for all dates. You can select between two dates and you get it a pretty list ordered by date. And you can go to what's this customer? Oh yes, this is the customer. Here's his phone number. We have to call him to say you can't book that time. Or you can go to the booking and see there are other times booked here, so if I have to reschedule, I have to do that, blah blah blah. And you can like change customer if for some reason have become the wrong one. I'm not sure. And you can change things, change the bookings, add info. Boom. And you can also have day, which is more intended for if you for a schedule for admins or for instructors, so you can see like today I have this booked and this, so I have to blah blah blah, whatever. But it's for a better overview basically. So all booking services booked. I have shown you how to book stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it.